Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, I will show you how to create the Josephine knot. With the left strand of rope, create a loop. With the right strand, you will work in and out as you make your way around your work. Bring the right strand of rope in front of the loop, then behind the left strand at the bottom, then in front of the left strand at the top, behind the loop, in front of the right strand at the top, and then behind the loop once more. I will show you how to create this knot one more time, but this time with 4 strands of rope in total. Thanks so much for watching, guys. My 28 days of knots has now come to an end. I will continue to post tutorials on YouTube once a week and a few mini tutorials on Instagram a couple of times a week, so stay tuned for those. Thanks again for joining me during this mini-series. I'll talk to you soon.